We in sales are always under constant pressure of target, achievements, performance. See, in sales, basically it is said we are looking for people who can handle pressure, who can perform under pressure. It's quite obvious that sales profession is the highly demanding profession. The people who work in sales are constant under pressure of performance, constant pressure of having big targets. They are chasing for the targets, they are running for the targets, and due to that they are under lot of tremendous stress. So today I will talk about how to handle stress in sales. Being sales professional, you need to understand it's a byproduct of being in sales profession that stress is going to be there. It is going to be part of life. Now you need to handle your stress. So please watch this video till the end, and we will discuss about different ways to handle stress in sales profession and how you can de-stress yourself being under tremendous pressure. So friends, there are different techniques to handle different kind of pressures in life. But when you are in the job wherein morning, evening, every time you are being asked for what kind of target you are going to achieve, how you are going to do it, give numbers. It's a number game. How much sales you are going to do in this month, this day, this week. So obviously the stress is going to happen. As like all other private job, in sales department it's like constant threat of losing the job. See, the people who are not performing up to the mark, who are unable to achieve their targets quarter on quarter, then there is a pressure, there is a performance improvement plan, management will apply on you, and you as an individual is under constant pressure of losing the job. Pressure of losing the job is more on sales professional than other departments. So how to do that? How to de-stress yourself? First is very important thing, as you all know, work life balance. See, how to achieve it? Work life balance is you must work hard, you must run for the target, but at the same time when you are coming back to your home, you need to think about your family, you need to think about your friends, you need to have a little kind of on and off switch in your mind for your work. Whenever you are getting time for your family and friends, please be there mentally, physically and emotionally. This way what will happen, that tomorrow when you will go back to your work, you will be rejuvenated, you will be having the nice and positive thoughts about you. If 24 hours you are in thinking about your job, your target, your business, your goals, then obviously we as a human, we are a machine, and the machine can get tired. Then if you are not doing the maintenance of your machine, it will collapse one day. So you need to achieve a beautiful work-life balance in your life. And how you can do it? You can unwind with your family, you can unwind with your friends, you can have the weekends which you can utilize for yourself, or hours which all hours you are getting during your week, you need to spend some good quality time with your family. You should inculcate yourself into one kind of hobby. Chase your hobby. If you have the hobby of gardening, if you have the hobby of cooking, if you love to watch cricket matches, spend some time there. See, having the hobby is very important thing. The hobby will help you to divert your mind from the work and its pressure. If you have the hobby for gardening, look for the 30 minutes exercise for doing the gardening. Look at the flowers, how they are blooming. Look at the plants, how they are growing. It will help you to give the happy and positive signal to your brain, and you will feel rejuvenated. So always chase one or two hobby in your life. If you love to watch cricket match, then have a calendar of the cricket matches, upcoming cricket matches, and make the time to watch all those games. It will definitely help you de-stress, and if you are de-stressed, then only you can focus on your work. Many times I have seen in sales, we are actually not switching off ourselves, which is a very dangerous point. If you want to have a long lasting career in sales, how it is possible for you till another 30 years you are only talking about target, target, target. So this kind of habit never ever develop in you. Switch off your mind, your heart from the work, and allow your team also to do the same. Many managers I have seen, they are only chasing their dream with a number. They are chasing their teams with numbers, and end of the day they themselves are under stress, their teams are under stress, and the outcome is not so fruitful. They are not achieving their targets month on month. So as a manager, it's your responsibility at times. You be distress yourself and allow your team to be distressed. If you are under continuous pressure of having stress, end of the day we are human beings. We all have our personal life, professional life, and our health also. So you need to look after your health. It's not like your company or your bosses will look after your health. You need to learn the art of managing stress in your life. If you love to read books, if you like to listen music, please do that. If you are driving from office to home, listen to the good music, listen to the good thoughts, positive thoughts. If you want to be a good speaker, listen to the people who speaks good. This way, what you will do by going in between of your office and the house, you are changing your mind, you are switching your mind from work to different things. This you need to do. In your life, what you need to look at, what is achievable actually and what is not achievable. If the things are so weird, things are so out of control, please try to accept, yeah, it's not possible, we are not going to do it. Let's plan or revisit our plan in a different way. There is no harm in accepting that it's not achievable. See, in sales we have the habit of thinking positive, doing good, having high target, things like that, and by this you are increasing your stress daily basis. Please revisit your plan. If it's look like no, it's not achievable, revisit and replan your way of achieving the dreams. It's very important in life. You need to follow some spiritual things in life. If you follow some guru, there are many different spiritual gurus in the market. Listen to them, what they have, their point of view, what kind of point of view they have for life, they have for work-life balance, and nowadays they speak on everything. So have some spiritual aspect in your life. It will give you the different perspective towards work, towards life, and towards your personal and professional goals. Meditate yourself. It's everybody says meditate. Are you actually meditating? Meditation is nothing like giving the break to your thought process, right? It's not like you can do it in the morning only. You can do it anytime in the during the day. You can do it during the day anytime. Give 5 to 10 minutes pause to your mind whenever you feel like, right? By this, what will happen? Your mind will actually relax, and it's very important. Do not follow an erratic lifestyle. What you do as a sales professional, you sit back in the office for the long hours. You think, if I will engage my team, if I will sit in the office, then only the pressure will build on the team. No, it's not like that. If you are doing your job morning to evening well in the planned fashion, then obviously the things will fall in place. We have the wrong habit of sitting in the office till 10 o'clock in the night, then going back to the home at 12 o'clock, then in the morning at 6 o'clock giving the messages to my team, what you are doing, how you will do, and what all opposite notes and law. Then you are not relaxing yourself. You need to have a 8 hours good night's sleep. Please change your habit, change your pattern of working like this. You should not have at all erratic work hours. If you will do this, you can obviously perform or do or whatever till 1 year, 5 year, 10 year. But what after that? After 10 year, what you will do, right? So you need to achieve all these. Go for long walk, go for marathon, go for gym. Spend some time in club. Do the things which you like to do. Spend some time with your friends, family and kids. Learn a new skill. See, working and only working is not the life. Learn the skills which you wanted to learn. Learn a guitar, learn cooking, learn biking, learn trekking. Go for the trek. You can do all other things. Now you will say, where is the time? See, HR in every company gives a set of holidays, leaves for the employee. Why you are not using them? Use them wisely and de-stress yourself and see the kind of change you will bring in you as a sales professional, and the outcome will be very different. So friends, please try to de-stress yourself. Being in stress and working under pressure would not fulfill your personal and professional goals. You need to allow yourself and accept yourself. First, you are a human being, then you are a sales professional. If you have any query, you want to discuss any point of view with me, please write down in comment section. I will come back and try to address all those. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. I hope to see you again with the new topic on sales or other work life topics. Thank you.